Welcome to last part of the series. So in this part we will look into inheritance, which is an important property for object oriented programming language. And we know Solidity is an object oriented programming language. So let's look into it how we can use inheritance. So I will go over single level inheritance, but multi-level inheritance is also supported. So what we are going to do first, we will create a file called parent.solidity. um, Oops, not here. Yeah, parent.solidity. Now in this one I will just copy this pragma definition as it is. Now I will give the name contract parent. Here I will give an internal some variable. So internal means I won't be able to access this variable from outside, right? It is private. Now I will do a set value, external, or we can use public actually. Now in the set value, what I'll do here is I'll set the sum value as 50, like straightforward, like no other changes. Now I will create a new file called child.solidity. In this one I am gonna import, let me first get the pragma. So this child file will basically import, first we will import, and this child file will basically extend this parent file, right? So my contract will be child, and in child what I can do is I'll directly use function get value, right? This will be public view. As I said, view means it doesn't make any changes inside the method, and here I will do return sum. Now when we deploy this child, you will see what happens. So the way I am able to access variable sum is because I will inherit child is parent. So this is the way I do the inheritance. So whatever properties or methods that parent has will be available to child, and that is what inheritance is about. So first let's compile our child, and if we deploy it, so we should see a set value and get value. So right now if I do a get value, I'll do a 0, but if I do a set value, you see the set value method of parent will be called, sum will be set to 50, and if I do a get value, I'll get a value of 50, right? So that is how the simple inheritance work. Now you can obviously create more files, more parents, and you can do multiple inheritance as well, right? But currently I won't go into that much detail for now, but if you have another parent, you can just do a comma and then do a parent to something like that, and it will work. So yeah, this was a very basic series. I hope you guys learned something new. If so, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, and thanks for all the support.